Hi guys, welcome back. Today we'll be taking a look at JD.com. Before I begin, remember take a second to give the video a like and subscribe as you really help out the channel. Without further ado, let's first start off with JD.com, the one listed in US. Ticker is JD. So you can see that just last week, it ended the week near the high. We closed at around 53.68, just below this 38.2% at 53.88. So this will be resistance to clear on later part of the day or even tomorrow since US is closed tonight. So the resistance to watch would be 53.88, 56.06, and 58.24. Once we can cross this 58.24, then the stock would tend to be bullish. So this would be a very tough resistance for JD.com to clear. Looking at this cloud resistance as well, you can clearly see that we are already approaching the clouds. So there will be definitely some resistance at somewhere between $56 to $58. Looking at the supports, you can see that this blue conversion line is currently at 52.67. So this is acting as a very strong and critical support here. If we do break down this this level here at around 48.93, then it's ready for us to test down this low at 46.83. Moving up, this baseline will also act as a very strong resistance, which is currently at 56.06. So that's it for now for JD.com. It's very critical that 48.14 hold as well, because if this were to break down, then it's likely for us to test 41.56. Let's move on to 9618. So 9618, the market is currently open and we are currently trading around $216. We managed to cross this 212.2 at the 23.6%, but as you can see, we are facing a lot of cloud resistance now, and we're trying to pierce through the clouds. If we manage to pierce through successfully, then we're looking at 226, 237, and also 249. Do bear in mind that there are many gaps here, and there's also a gap here at around 215 to around 220. So do expect a lot of resistance here as well. Moving up the charts, you can see that this is a very strong resistance, which coincides with the 50% Fibonacci. So this is at 237.7. And at the same time, this blue conversion line on 9618 is at 205.8. So this acts as a very strong support for 9618. And as you can see, there's also a gap because we actually gap up on this particular Friday. So this gap is currently at around 199 to a high of around 205. So that's a $5 gap that may be closed one day. And hopefully this 189.4 do not break down. If we were to break down, then it's likely for us to retest back this 160, which is very ugly. And currently now we are still creating, this is a low here, so this is a higher low. So there is still a probability for us to go back up once again, but we have to start creating higher highs for JD.com to be bullish. So hopefully we can clear 226, and in time to come, we can also see 237 for 9618. So if there's any changes, I'll give you guys an update. Thanks for stopping by. Till we meet again, appreciate the manipulation.